Hi loves, I am back to film a video for you guys, another back to school. So I went to Pink and Victoria's Secret, so I just wanted to show you guys what I got from there. I wanted to do it like in a separate video by itself because I did get like a lot of things, and to me I feel like Pink and Victoria's Secret is like the most popular store known to man. It's like my favorite store, honestly. Like I literally can go in there, drop $200, like it's $2. Like I seriously have a problem. My whole family tells me I need to stop shopping there, but I just can't seem to stop. But I am banning myself until Black Friday. Like I just have to because I spend literally way too much money in there. But anyways, I don't want to ramble. So let's just get right to the video. So I got a couple underwear, so I'm just going to show you guys what I've gotten. So I got this like the regular bikini. It's like black and white and gray. It's like a marble effect. And then I got this gray boy short. That's it. And like the logo just says pink, 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 like the band. And then I just got this tropical print. It's very, very cute, and like it has lacing, coral lacing, and it just says pink, pink, pink. And my favorite underwear by Pink are the boy shirts. They're just like so comfortable. And then like they came out with these new underwears, like these new styles, and like I just love it. Like I just love like the thick band that says pink. It's just like so cute, and you can peek out of your my sweatpants. So I just got this neon color, and the back is just marble gray. And then I got another bikini bottom cut, and it's just this one. It's probably like one of my like favorite print right now, and it's just like I don't even know what to explain, like a whole bunch of just like fading stripes. You have like blue, baby blue, purple, fuchsia, white. It's adorable. And then I got another boy short with the lace at the top. This is black with gray polka dots, and it just says pink, pink, pink all over it with hot pink lacing flower detail at the top. And then I got another pair of these. It's just dark gray and then black at the back. And then this, but like a turquoise. No, it's not turquoise. This is like greenish blue. On the camera it looks green, but like in person this is like a definitely like a turquoise teal color. That's the color teal. And then the back is just black. And then I just got this seamless pair, and it's tropical blue with like green palm trees. So guys, I got a set from Pink, and then I just got this. It's this new print, the collegiate collection, I guess. So I just got this neon gray and pink hoodie, and just has a little dog. There's really nothing on the back. That's it. And then I got the matching sweatpants to go with it. I love these sweatpants. They're just the same color, but at the top it's just like a band, and it says pink, and I love it. These are super comfortable. That's that. And then the back just says pink, pink, pink. And then I just got like the same like kind of style from the collection, but just in a different color. So I got this marble gray and neon green. It's the same thing. And then on the leg it just says pink, pink. And then the hoodie, the same, neon green. Also got this pink half zip. It's a deep half zip. This was during the Pink Friday sale. This was $35 with the bralette. I'm about to show. Yeah, so as I said, it was during not Black Friday. See, Black Friday is like calling my name. Pink Friday. It was this bralette. It came with sports bra, and this came to $35. That night, if you had spent over $65, which I certainly went way over $65, you got a free duffel bag. So you could choose from 3 colors, this black and pink, but me and the cashier both decided I should go with the neon green because like I have like a neon green theme going. So yeah, I just got this. It's very, very cute. Little duffel bag for gym. Just wear it like this. And then it came with a pink water bottle. And I love it because first of all, I always see them, but like I never I never told myself I wanted a water bottle. So I'm kind of glad that I got this for free. So like, moving on to like some older purchases that I never like got to film. So I just got this yoga crop capris. It's just a gray top with the neon green. On the side it just says pink, and then over here it's just like little stripes. I just picked up these whole varsity crew. It's neon green, the little dog right there, and in the back in big white letters it just says pink, and it's very, very cute. These are very, very comfortable and light. Also, I got this half zip, the ultimate half zip, in neon green and gray, and it just says pink, pink, pink right there. These are very comfortable and it's very slimming, so you know, they look real nice and have like a nice shape. As you guys can see, like, I went overboard on the neon green for this like back to school, summer, fall, you know, but neon green is very bright and I love the color. I also got another pair of these varsity crews. So I just got this in like this pinkish, reddish, burnt color. This little dog right there, the holes, and then going around it, it just says pink, pink, pink along the bottom. And to go with this, I got a pair of yoga capris. It's just that bright coral color. And then on the sides, it just says love pink, and then little stripes right there. I really love these color combos, because this and the top, it'll I'll pop, and I love to from Victoria's Secret. That was my pink haul, so now I'm gonna show you what I got from Victoria's Secret. I only got like 3 things. First off, I got this hoodie because I've been wanting a Victoria's Secret hoodie for the longest, like with the angel wings on the back, because I just thought it was just like so cute. So I just got this gray one, and then the back is just like this black angel wing, and I love it to death. It was very expensive, the most I ever paid for a hoodie, but it was worth it. It was $70, but I'll cherish it forever. And then I just got 2 bras because I hate pink bras. Well, I shouldn't say that, but like, I feel like Victoria's Secret bras are like more comfortable to me and they fit me better. And I just got this baby blue cheetah print bra, leopard. It's very cute, and then like the front is just with the bow, and it has a little heart that says VS. I don't know if you can see that well. And this was $52. It broke me, but oh god. And then my other bra was just this black and white stripes. It looks like leaves or not palm trees, but it looks like leaves, like autumn leaves. And then the middle is just a black pendant that says VS. Yeah, so like guys, that was it for like my haul. I did get like some beauty stuff, but I'm gonna save like my body mist and stuff to show in the back to school beauty haul with like makeup and everything. So that's all I have to say. Please check out my last video, my back to school supplies haul. I'll very much appreciate it. Please like, comment, and please subscribe. I'm like trying to be on a roll and stay consistent with these videos now. That's pretty much all I have to say. My links to my social media will be down below, and yeah, please check out my last video. Link will be in the description box, and bye loves, have a nice day.